Hello guys, Exto here and welcome to Copper-9. This is what the module will look like. It's reminiscent of a colored cipher module, just with this sort of like camo-like background. And it will have 2 pages. So, that's all I have to say. So let's just get started on solving this module. So, similar to a colored cipher module, the top screen here will have our encrypted word. And then let's just get into the first cipher, J cipher or branded pen cipher. So we're going to take the encrypted word in the middle screen, pursuing. Remove any duplicate letters from it, so that. And then do the same with the alphabet. This might be reminiscent of other modules you might have done. And then move the letters P, U, R, S, I, and G. And then, if the number of batteries is odd, if the number of batteries is odd, which it isn't, so we're going to put the alphabet in front of the keyword, meaning we put it here. Now this is our translation alphabet. We take a regular alphabet and put it on the top here. And then we're going to paste this 6 times underneath here. This will be reminiscent of something, I think, from Violet Cipher, I think it was, which has 6 rows. So, we're now going to use the serial number, and for each odd position, so 1, 3, and 5, we're going to use the position in the serial number to shift it left or right. In this case, 1, 3, and 5 is going to be left, 2, 4, and 6 is going to be right. So, left on all positions, so left 21, which is the alphabet position of U. Then right by E, which is 5. Left by, actually it would have been the same. Left by 9. Right by 26, which keeps it as it is. Left by 7, which is alphabet position of G, and then right by 2. And now, using this, we're going to translate each letter by going for each letter going to the top row, going down to the first unused row, and then going to the column of the letter we land on, if that makes sense. So in this case, B goes to S, and then we go to the S column, we go to the second, we get to T. T3 is C, C4 is C, C5 is L, and L6 is L. Y1 is P, P2 is M, M3 is R, R4 is Y, Y5 is F, Y5 is F, and then F6 is D, third letter, and the fourth letter. W1 is Y, Y2 is P, P3 is N, N4 is T, T5 is A, and A6 is N. Just make sure on that. P3, N4, T5, A, okay. F1 is A, A2 is R. Wait. F1 is A, A2 is R, R3 is A, A4 is A, A5 is J, and J6 is J. And then finally, P1 is M, M2 is J, J3 is Z, Z4 is G, G5 is T, and T6 is Y. Now moving on to the second step, which is N transposition, or code retrieval transposition, which we need this bottom screen. So splitting into the two triplets it mentions, we get this, and we need to put these in alphabetical order. So this one's already in alphabetical order, and then this one is this. And now convert these to letters given here. So F is 1, V is 5, X is 6, and then J is 2, S is 4, and V is 5. And now we're going to take, if the number only indicated is less than 3, yes. So for the first triplet forwards and the second triplet backwards, by that it means first triplet, which is these positions, we're going to circle these forwards, so to the right. So that would be YLJ. And then the second set, which is 2, 4, 5, we're going to cycle these to the backwards or to the left. So we get NLD. Then we go to this page. We have a keyboard word on the top screen, L. Removing the letter because that's what normally happens. The encrypted weapons to do the keyboard top screen of page 2, and the 6 letters in the middle screen of page 2. So we're going to preemptively put these underneath here. And now remove any duplicate characters on the keyboard, keep them first characters, and replace any Z with X's. So we get this. Then take an entire alphabet, omitting Z. This is similar to what you would see in something like Playfair, but instead of the J being omitted, the Z has been omitted. And we're going to move the list we already have. S, E, L. And now, if the number of parallel ports is greater than the number of serial ports, no, they're equal. So we'll put the alphabet at the beginning of the keyword. And display it into 5 rows. 5 rows of 5. And now, this cipher, which is V cipher or bubble cipher, we're going to take each of these pairs, find our encrypted letter, and pivot it 90 degrees counterclockwise around the letter on the middle screen. So, this one. So, and the grid wraps around, of course. So, Y around K, 90 degrees counterclockwise. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So that would become 1, 2, 3. There'll be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. S. N around H is easy. Just going round like that. We get I. Then we have N around P. Still pretty decent, easy. We get to E. L around W. We get R. DRAM V. We get R, and then hopefully J around N, 1, 1, 2 goes to 1, 1, 2. So we get the word Sierra. And hopefully, if we have done this correctly, we get our module. So that was Copper-9. It's similar to other cycle modules, but of course, be careful to not make any stupid mistakes, like with the rotation here, without advertising here, or going down each of the rows here. This is the most the most mistake-prone step, I think. This or this. This one, I doubt it. So, that was Copper-9. Hopefully you understand how the module works now. And I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. I'll see you later.